Hi friends, welcome to Majlis E-Content Development Center. It's me, Nadira, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Majlis Arts and Science College. In this section, I am going to introduce about the logic gates. The topics included in my sections are history of the logic gates, introduction, types, and some of the examples. Before going to the introduction, here is some history. John Boolean was the inventor of the Boolean algebra, and he makes some logic into the mathematics. The credit for applying laws to the Boolean algebra goes to Claude E. Shannon, an electrical engineer. The first logic gates were developed around 1837 were of the mechanical form. Furthermore, the Boolean algebra was introduced to the circuit-based analysis and shaped the way people can interpret this logic today. Here is some terms used in the logic gates. The first one is gate. A gate is defined as a digital system which follows some logical relationship between the inputs and output voltages. This is a digital system. It either follows, allows to pass through or stop the signal. And the next one is truth table. Truth table of a logic gate shows all the possible inputs and output of the logic gates. And the next one is Boolean algebra. This is an algebra which shows the binary nature of the logic gates. And the next one is Boolean expression. This is a logical statement followed by the logic gate. Logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit which has one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and output has some logic. Based on this, there are three logic gates named as AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. In OR gate, the output of the OR gate attain the state 1 if any one of the inputs are one state. The Boolean expression of the OR gate, we can write it as C equal to A plus B. It can be read in the form C equals A or B. And here is the symbol of the OR gate. Here two inputs A and B, and here this is the symbol, and the output is written in the letter C, and C equal to A plus B will be the output. It perform the binary OR operation or addition operation. And the next one is our truth table of the OR gate. In the truth table, A and B are the inputs and A or B will be the output. A and B are the input, so here is 2 raised to 2 4 input combination. They are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. As per the definition, we know the output of the OR gate will be 1 if any one of the input will be 1. So, the first case 0, 0, A and B are in the 0 state, the output will be 0. All the other state, the output of the OR gate will be 1. An example of a OR gate. Here we are using a doorbell system. Two inputs are connecting, front doorbell switch and the back doorbell switch. If either the front doorbell switch or the back doorbell switch is pressed, then the doorbell rings. That is the application of the OR gate. Next, our logic gate is AND gate. In AND gate, the output of the AND gate will attain the state 1 if both the input are in the state 1. And the Boolean expression of the AND gate is Y equal to A dot B. It can be read as A and B. And the two input AND gate, here is the symbol of the AND gate. Two inputs, input A and input B, and it will produce AND operation and output. This is the truth table of the AND gate. Here is 2 input for 2 raised to 2, 4 input combination and 4 output. The output of the AND gate only attain the state 1 if both the inputs are in the state 1. Next is the example of the NAND gate. This is a person sensor and alarm switch for the burglar alarm. In this case, it works if both the person sensor and the alarm switch are on the burglar alarm will activate it. Is the application of the AND gate. Next question, we are going to NOT gate. NOT gate. In NOT gate, the output of the NOT gate attains the state 1 if and only if input does not attain the state 1. That means in NOT gate it provides the complement operation. So the expression we can read as y equal to A complement. It has only one input and one output. Read as y equals NOT A. And the symbol of the NOT gate. Here is one input and one output. Here we are performing complement operation and C equal to A bar is the truth table of the NOT gate. Input equal to A equal to 0 and 1, output NOT A equal to 1 and 0. Is an example of the NOT gate, a temperature detector. If the temperature is above 20 degrees Celsius, then the central heating is switched off. Otherwise, it will be switched on. These three combinations of logic gates OR and NOT connected in various combinations give us the basic logic gates NAND and NOT gates, which are the universal building blocks of any digital system. So the first one is NAND gate. This is a basic logic gate. It performs the complement operation of the AND gate. So the expression can be written as y equal to A dot B whole complement. It can be read as A and B whole complement. That means A NAND B. Here is the logical symbol of the NAND gate. The first one, the exact symbol of the NAND gate, and we can create connecting with the AND and NOT gate, NAND gate, and the truth table of the NAND gate. There are two inputs, so 2 raised to 2, 4 input combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. The output of the NAND gate will be the complement operation of the AND gate. So only in the case of 1 1, the output of the NAND gate is 0, all other case it will be 1. This is an example of NAND gate. Here device failure alarm is connecting. When all the fans are working, the input of the NAND gate is in 1 1 1 state, that means its output will be 0. If any one of the fans stops working, the output of the NAND gates becomes 1, the alarm will be switched off. And the next one is NOR gate. This is the combination of OR and NOT gate. So the Boolean expression of the NOT gate is y equal to A plus B whole complement. Here is the symbol of the NOR gate. First we connect OR gate with NOT gate, we can create a NOR gate. So A and B are the inputs and the output will be C equal to A plus B whole complement. Here is the truth table. In truth table is a 2 input connection A, B, so 2 raised to 2, 4 input combinations. There are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. The output of the NOR gate attain the state 1 if both the inputs are in the 0 state. All other cases the output of the NOR gate will be 0. That means it performs the OR gate complement operation. Here is an example. If both the switches are in the 0 state, that means off state, the bulb will switch on. If any one of the switches in one state, then the bulb will switch off. So I am going to conclude my section about the logic gates, its types and some of the examples. Hope you can get all my topics. Thank you for your valuable time.